Welcome back to Living Pacific Northwest, guys. Today we're going to be welding some chain together. I'm going to be welding pretty much a straight line and then a big ball at the end. And I'm going to be forge welding this in a later video. So I'm just kind of prepping today, doing a little bit of welding. Haven't done a welding video in a while, so thought might as well throw one in there. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Hopefully this works. I don't know how the quality is on this chain right here, but we will find out. All right, let's get to it. All right, so I went ahead and hung up the chain right here. I think I'm just gonna connect the negative right here. We'll see how that works. I'm gonna start from bottom all the way up to this marker right here, and then I'm gonna flip it and coil this, and yeah, I don't know. We'll see how this project goes. Let's get to it. I'm using 6011 332 electrode, running at about 50 amps. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is what I got so far. This stick right here, nice and solid. Now I'm going to ball this chain up right here and weld it to the top and just keep welding and welding. I don't know if I want to fold it, weld it, fold it, weld it, fold it, weld it. That's going to take a long time. Probably look nicer than me just throwing the giant clump up there. I don't know. I'll see how I want to do it. But so far so good. Alright guys, so this is what I got so far. As you can see, I got a few shakers there, a few loose ones. I'm going to weld that together, but this is the overall shape. Then I'm going to hopefully forge weld this, take out all the gaps and everything. At least that's the plan. So let me clean this up a little bit. Alright guys, let's get a close up on these welds real quick. Little spot welds throughout the whole thing. Let me get to the ball. I'm hoping that turns out to be about a ½ pound ball at the top. So what my plan is, now that I've welded all this together, I'm going to fire up my forge and put this in there and put some forge welding. I think I'm just going to use borax, but use some borax or something to help clean this up a little bit, and then pound it out, heat it up, pound it out, heat it up, pound it out, and forge weld it into a square, and then maybe make a axe or a hammer out of it. I think that'd be kind of cool. This is pretty strong, so I don't think this is going to break or anything. But yeah, that's the plan for the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. It was fun doing this. Haven't welded in a while. I still have the knack, if you will. I might have to reinforce some of these welds because I don't know. I hear one cracking right now. Oh, it's right there. Yeah, that one right there. Yep, there we go. The other ones don't want to break though. They're solid. That one was a bad weld. So, I'm going to weld that one again real quick. I'll save you guys the time. But look forward to me forge welding that into an axe or or just a failure. It might just be a total and utter failure of me trying to forge weld that, which I think it might be. But I have high hopes. But that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's fun doing this. And I'll see you guys next time.